back, Moto Tubers. All right, today we've got this 1985 FXRS. We're going to be getting some parts installed on it. This Mikuni carburetor, air filter. We're going to do an oil change, get the tank put on, and anything else the bike might need. Hopefully today we're going to be getting this bike up and running. This FXR hasn't ran in over 15 years. The customer has asked me to get it started. It was their father's motorcycle. So it's an honor to work on this, and I'm excited to get this thing up and running for them. Looks like we've got some electrical things to take care of. Look over. Gonna need to put the battery in it. So, this is what we've got today. Let's get to it. I always take my new oil filter, inspect it, make sure it looks good to go, and fill it some engine oil. This helps to prime this filter. And I always take a little bit, rub it around the seal just to get it prepped and ready. All right, now we're ready to install it. Okay, here we are where the oil filter goes. On some of these FXRs, the oil filter is on the front of the engine. On this particular year, 1985 FXRS, it's under the engine in front of the rear tire, which is kind of convenient because it allows me to fill the filter with a little bit more oil and not have to worry about it spilling out. So what I'm doing now is just cleaning off contact area, clean off the threads. All right, so I've already pre-filled my oil filter. Go ahead and screw the new one on, and it doesn't need to be over tightened. Check your service manual for tightening recommendations. There you have it. I've just removed the oil filter screen that's in the cam chest area. Don't forget to do this though. These FXRs have these extra screens in here. Very important. let's see where we're at with this thing. Well, I'm pretty happy with what we got done today. Got the carburetor put on, got some fuel in it, battery hooked up, and actually got the thing to turn over the engine, which is good. So it's a lot further than it was. At least I know the engine's not seized, and I can continue working from here. This is real good news for this 1985 FXRS. All right, catch you guys next time.